Hey loves, welcome to another hair video. My name is Sonia. Hope you're all doing great. Remember to leave a like on this video, share and subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Now let's get right into this video. So I got 3 packs of Jamaica dreadlocks 22 inches. This is in color 1B. It has 15 pieces in each pack. Also got a pack of passion twist. You will be needing crochet needle to install. So I started by washing my hair, then I did single braids in the size I wanted. So here is my passion twist. So what I like to do is take a little bit out, not exactly into 2, but just a little bit out because I don't want it too big. Just like this. And here is my crochet. And that's the loop. Get it ready. Get my needle. Then put it in between the single braids. Just like this. And then right there, I went in with a crochet, trying to fix the loop in to the needle. Lock it up and then pull it out just like this. And the next thing you want to do is take your single braids, the remaining part of it, and put it in through the loop. Just like this. And then pull it out to make a knot. Yep, this helps to secure it. And then I went in again with my needle. This time around, I had to put the passion twist at the very bottom of the single braids, just like this. Pulled it through again, and as you can see, one part is longer than the other side. So I pulled the shorter part, laid it down with my crochet and my hair, the single braids, and then I began to twist with the longer part of the passion twist. You just twist, twist, twist all through from the beginning towards the end of the braids, your single braids, so you don't get to see your hair at all. You keep twisting. That's my hair still remaining. I just pull it down and then keep twisting. And once you get to the end of it, you just roll with your palms like this. And that's it. It's really easy, very easy. I've been doing my hair for the past 2 years now, and guys, you can do this too. The more you do it, the easier it gets. And this have saved me some good pounds. So if you're not interested in the knotless crochet, this is how you go about it. Now the remaining part of my braids, as you can see, I put it through the base of the single braids. That's how you get the regular crochet. But if you want it really flat and you want the knotless look, then you have to go with the very first method I showed you. Yeah, that's it. It came out really beautiful. I loved it so much. I rocked it so well. I think this lasted for about 1 month, exactly 1 month. Yeah, I really get bored sometimes. So I took it out after 1 month. And I also made a video on how I took them out, which will be up on my channel after this one. So you can watch it. What they don't tell you about making the back of your hair. So guys, here is the final look. I absolutely love it. It's really easy to style and you can try it out. This cost me a total of £28. Let me know what you think in the comments and if you'll be trying it out. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!